Hi, this is tutorial for the WP database backup, which include the installation, create backup, setting and restore backups. So using WP database backup, you can create the database backup on easily on single click, restore backup and store backup on safer place like Amazon, S3, Google Drive, Dropbox, FTP, email. And also you can set the database backup frequency like monthly, daily, weekly or daily, twice a daily. So how can we install the plugin? So you need to go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to the plugins and then the submenu add new. So once you go to the add new plugin setting, then find the plugin using the keyword WP database backup. So using WP database backup or database backup keyword, you can see the list of the backup plugins. So pick up the WP database backup plugin, install and activate the plugin using the activate button. So once you have activate plugin, then you can see the setting into the dashboard and submenu tools. Into the tools you can see the menu like WP DB backup. So click on this menu and you can use the plugins features. So we can first see the how to install the plugin. So go to the dashboard, plugins, add new. So type keyword WP database backup. So you can see the list of plugin here, then I click on install now button. Once plugins has installed successfully, then you can see the activate button. So click on activate button and then plugin will automatically activate it on your WordPress. So you can see the WP database backup plugin into the plugin list, which is activated successfully. So you can go to tools, WP database backup, and once click on this WPDB backup, then you can see the database backup settings and backup dashboards. So how to create backup using WP database backup plugin? This is only simple one click process. Just click on create new database backup button and it's create the database backup for your site. Click on this button and you can see the message database backup created successfully. So you can see the backup on backup list with the date and time and file size. You can click on download link, then after that link you can download file into the zip format, so it's downloaded on your local machines. So you can also set the different setting for this plugin. You can set the number of backup for like if you store minimum or maximum number of backup on your local server, then you can set this setting, exclude some table from the backup, set the log setting for the debugging purpose, or set schedule like for the database backup frequency. So go to WPDB backup schedule. Here you can see enable the or disable auto backup frequency. Select your database backup frequency like hourly, twice a daily, weekly or monthly, and click on save settings. Into the setting tab you can set the maximum local backup which is stored on your local server. So it save your server space, enable debug log, remove local backup, which like once backup is created and if you have set any destination, then backup uploaded on this destination and it's automatically deleted the local backup. So it's once backup uploaded on safer place, then it's save your server space or your disk size. Using exclude table setting, you can exclude the table from the database backups. Here is the list of tables. So select the tables from the list, click on save, then it's save your settings. So using destination, you can save your backup on separate place like FTP. Here you can enter the FTP configurations and click on save button. Here email notification, enable the email notification, enter your email ID here, and if you select the attach the backup file, then it's automatically send email notification with the backup file. So if you have set the auto backup, then please enable the email notification so you can get the email if backup is created successfully or not. You can save backup on Google Drive, Amazon S3 using this backup setting, or also can use the Dropbox feature for the save the backup. So using system tab, you can see the your local server configuration, disk space, settings or max execution times, and all the settings. So how can you restore the database backup? So using, just click on restore database backup button, it's automatically restore your the database backup. So go to the database backup list. Here you can see the button restore database backup. Click on this button and like it's restore your database backup successful. It's only like restoring your deleted post, comment, tables, and all the settings. Also you can alternatively restore database backup using the alternative method, like login your phpMyAdmin and select your database, using import tab, import the downloaded zip file and click on the go to buttons, and then you have successfully import these backup settings. So thank you for watching this tutorial. You can download a free plugin from the WordPress org. So go to the WordPress org slash plugins and find the WP database backup. You can also find the documentation on the WP Shield site. Go to the wpshields.com slash documentation slash docs slash WP dash database dash backup. Using pro links, you can download and get the pro features like wpallbackup.com or wpshields.com slash products slash wpall dash backups. So you can get the all the pro feature including move site, migration, complete site backup. Also you can save backup on separate place using the FTP, Dropbox, Amazon S3, and all other methods. So you can also get support from wpallbackup.com slash support. So if you have any query, any suggestion, then please feel free to ask any question on the support forums. If you like this tutorial, if you like this plugin, then please rate us on the WordPress org. So go to the wordpress.org slash support slash plugin slash WP dash database dash backup slash reviews. So please leave us reviews. Thank you for watching tutorial. Thanks for your interest.